Hey, welcome back to Guitar Dojo. Now that we have our entire fretboard memorized with all of our chords in the key of C, makes everything a lot easier to be able to focus on things. So that's what we're gonna do with these exercises. We're gonna focus everything that we've learned broken up into 5-minute sections. We're gonna use our 1, 6, 2, 5 chords for this. We're gonna have notes, exercises, scales, and chords. Use this first 5 minutes to practice your notes. Start off going up your fretboard, then going in reverse. And from there, start targeting your notes. The first 2 notes we're going to target are your C and your D. I have these mapped out for you already right over here. So your new routine, you want to start from the top. E, A, D, G, B, E, F, C, F, B, E, A, G, C, F, D, G, B, A, D, G, C, E, A, F, B, E, A, D, B, C, F, G, C, B, E, D, G, C, F, A, D, E, A, D, G, B, E. Then go backwards from the bottom all the way back to the top. E, B, G, D, A, E, D, A, F, C, G, D, E, B, C, G, F, C, B, D, A, E, B, F, A, E, C, G, D, A, B, G, D, F, C, G, A, E, B, F, C, F. Saying your notes in reverse going backwards is weird at first, but take your time. Just think about it. Go through each one of them. Picture that fret and find these notes. Just go through it backwards. You'll get used to it. And finally, targeting these root notes, targeting your C's and your D's. They only appear once on each string, so take your time, find each one of those, and just get used to, get comfortable where they're at. Target your C's. C, 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 C. Then target your D's. D, D, Next, I'll have you working on the exercises. This round, we are looking to develop speed with our left hand. Only hammer-ons, down and up, all the way to the 12th fret. Set your timer for 5 minutes. You're trying to get all of these done under 5 minutes. Then, when you get it under 5 minutes, post it in the comments below. When I do this and I'm trying to beat my times, I try to find the fastest way possible. It's just set up so it's very easy to remember. You just 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4. Start with all hammer-ons. Once I get down to the 12th fret, instead of jumping all the way back, I just start with 1, 3 and work my way backwards. And once I get back to the top, start with 1, 4. Then I'll start with 2, 3. Start with 2, 4. Then I get on with 3, 4. Use hammer-ons all the way up and down. That way you're working with your left hand in speed. That'll be your warm-up for that. Try to do that as fast as you can. You want to get it under 5 minutes. and I'll see you in the next exercise. For the next 5 minutes, we're gonna work on our scale in thirds. Now the cool thing about doing your scale in thirds is it's the notes in your chords, which you should have totally memorized anyway, but this will help you reinforce that. You're gonna start off with your E. In your first position, you're gonna go through every single note and their chord. Saying this in thirds is E, G, B, F, A, C, G, B, D, A, C, E, B, D, F, C, E, G, D, F, A, E, G, B, F, A, C, G, B, D, A, C, E, B, D, F, C, E, G. Use this time to reinforce the notes in your chords. This is going to help you out with your triads and building any chord that you want. So we have the first 5 minutes concentrating on our notes, practicing our notes forwards, reverse, then targeting our C and our D. Our next 5 minutes is set on our exercises. Trying to do those as fast as you can. Under 5 minutes, writing your time down, putting it in the comments. Third focus is our scale. Here we're going to be adding patterns to that. Our first pattern is the pattern of thirds, which is all of our chords. So use this to reinforce the notes in your chords. And that leaves us with our chords. Using our 1-6-2-5 chord, we are going to add 4 strum patterns. I have a drum beat in the link below for you to download so that way you can practice with this. When you open this up, it should be set at 60 beats per minute. What I want you to do is play this and record each one of these strum patterns as a backing track for 3 minutes. Play this on my phone, then use another device, a cell phone, mom's phone, friend's phone, to record you playing over this drum beat. Don't worry, I have all of these sheets in the links below with the songs and the beats for you. Strum pattern 1. Record yourself playing each one of these chord progressions on a separate track for 3 minutes each. We're going to use these as backing tracks for what we're going to learn next.